So a worked example of percentage change. So this question asks us to work out the percentage change in the average monthly number of books sold between 2 years, and then there's another calculation to do with percentage decrease and percentage change as well. So let's start with the first question first. And what do we have? We're looking for the percentage change in the average number of books sold between 2022 and 2023. And we're given the figures for 2022 and 2023 up here. So it's a matter of working out what the increase, so we can see that the number of books sold on average per month went up. So we need to work out what the increase is, and then we need to work out what that increase is as a percentage. So let's start with A first, B. Okay, so from 2022 to 2023, we can see that in 2022, there were 3,250 books on average per month, and that increased up to 3,705 books per month. So there was an increase, and the increase amount equals the difference between the two, so 3,705 minus 3,250, which is 455 books. So that's how much it's increased by. And as a percentage, so remember percentage increase, remember the formula for percentage increase, it's the increase amount divided by the original. So it's increased by 455 books from 2022. So the original, the 2022 figure was 3,250. So that is the proportional increase, so relative to where it started from, the original book sales amount. And then we multiply that by 100 to convert it to a percentage. And you'll see that there was a 14% increase from 2022 to 2023. Okay, part B. So in 2024, sales went down due to increased online sales. So they went down between 2023 and 2024. So we want to work out the number of books sold per month, given that we've been given there was a 12% decrease, and then work out what that amounted to as a percentage change. So from 2023, we've been told that in 2024 there was a 12% decrease from 2023. So from 2023 to 2024, there's a 12% decrease in books sold in sales. Okay. So let's make that a bit neater. A 12% decrease in sales. So the first thing we need to work out is how many books were actually sold on average in 2024. So we know in 2023 there were 3,705 books sold on average per month. And then the 2024 figure was a 12% decrease from that. So let's work out what a 12% decrease from that is. So 12% of 3,705 is 4,404.6 books. So that's how many less were sold in 2024. So the 2024 sales is 3,705 minus 444.6, which is 3,260 books on average per month in 2024. Okay, so that's the 2024 sales average. So that was the first part of this question, and the second part is calculate the percentage change from 2022 to 2024. Okay, so we're now comparing this to 2022. So in 2022, so we want to compare 2022 to 2024. 2022, we can see that the sales amount was 3,250, and now in 2024, it's gone up to 3260. That's not really much of a shift. It went up a fair bit in 2023, then dropped down again because of online sales. So we can see that it is an increase. It's just a very small increase. So the increase is only of 10 books. So the percentage increase is the increase amount, 10 books, divided by where we're starting from. That's a percentage change from 2022 to 2024. So we need the 2022 figure as the original amount. And then we'll multiply that by 100 to convert it to a percentage. And you'll see that there's only a 0.31% increase between 2022 and 2024.